We want to occupy every space. We are going to be consistent. We are going to be coherent. We are going to be audible until there is no place to hide. Yeah? Until the conferences are stopped. Otherwise, we will make them noisy, we will make them messy, and there will be consequences. If we are not heard, we are refusing to stay on the margins anymore. Yeah, we want to be at the table because we are told the risk of not being at the table is that you could be in the menu. Do you understand? So we are going to occupy every space. And we have been gentlemen for far too long. We are now going to appropriate our place because we have a contribution to make. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for listening to me. I don't take it for granted. And God bless you.
Thank you.
What do we want? Climate justice. What do we want?
Climate justice.
What do we want? Climate justice. What do we want? Climate justice. When do we want it? Now. When do we want it? Now. When do we want it? Now. Thank you.
I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. Hey! Hey, 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 hey. Your Excellency. Your Excellency. I am standing here saying, what can I say? Nothing but to just thank you, nothing more. Just thank you. Hey, I could see 80% seated and wondering, looking at you like this, wondering whether this is coming from a president of this continent. People have always wanted to hear what you say, but they don't hear it. You know, you spoke as if you were this side, not this side.
Look, 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 look. You have propelled Africa to another higher level. I tell you,
We now have gained the confidence in our leadership on this continent. We really have confidence. We now have hope. And those that are aspiring, because this Parliament has produced, as we said yesterday, a number of heads of state from this Parliament. The current president of Seychelles was here 2 years ago. The current president of Namibia was a member of this Parliament. Former President Mahama of Ghana was a member of this Parliament. Former President of Mali, Keita, was a member of this Parliament. Who else? So, now today, Niger President, Niger, Bazoum, Honorable Bazoum, he used to sit over there, that side. Bazoum, former member of this Parliament. But I want to say, if there are others among you who are also aspiring, I think twice. It is no longer the presidents of yesterday. Things have changed. Look, we now want this caliber. This is the caliber now we are looking for. So you may have to withdraw your candidature. As I sat there, I said, this speech has to be produced in all our 5 languages. And I am serious, we have to do it and share it with all the members and all the participants. Because this is a treatise, you know, a treatise. It's written for the next centuries. So we want everybody to have a copy in their home. And share with the parliamentarians up there in our national parliaments. Make them read this. That's the only way Africa can improve. But you want also to agree with me on something. My own capacity to identify quality, competent leaders. Yes. And I want to thank the people of Kenya. I want to thank the people of Kenya. I thank you for giving us this gift. This, we can change Africa with this leadership. The AU, we want, as he said, fit for purpose. Is the African Union fit for purpose? Have AU fit for purpose? Now, he's our champion on the climate, but we want to make him double champion. Oh, yes. Double champion, also champion for Pan-African Parliament.